Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Shikha. Welcome. As you can see, for today's look, I have created this beautiful bottle green eyeshadow look with a hint of glitter. So let's start by prepping the eyes. For that, today I'm going to be using NYX concealer in the shade yellow. Evenly apply the concealer on your eyelid using a flat brush or your clean finger. If your eyelids tend to get oily, please refrain from using the concealer on your eyelids and use an eye primer to prime your eyes. Now I'm going to set my concealer in place. For that, I'm using makeuprevolution banana light powder. I'm not gonna apply too much product on my eyelid, otherwise it will dry out it. Using Maybelline gel eyeliner, I'm going to apply a winged eyeliner. I'm using a brush that comes along with the product. After applying the eyeliner, I'm going to set it using missclaire black eyeshadow. I'm using an angular brush to do so. So let's start with the eyeshadow. I'm here using makeuprevolution Maxi reloaded palette, and the first shade I'm going to be using from this palette is this dark green shade. I'm here applying the green eyeshadow just above the eyeliner using a shader brush. Apply the green eyeshadow evenly on your eyelid. Don't worry about the neatness, as we are going to blend all the colors together later on. To increase the intensity of the black eyeshadow, I'm going to reapply it. Now to blend the edges of dark green shade, I'm here using this lemony green shade. Using a blending brush, I'm going to smudge the edges to remove the harsh lines. For the next shade, I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade and going to place it just above the light green one. Blend all the colors together to make it look more gradient and blended. Before the application of glitter, I'm using NYX glitter glue, and with that I'm using cactus green glitter pigments. Using a small flat brush, I'm going to apply the glitter glue on the areas on which I have to place the glitter on. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm going to place the glitter. I'm here using a fluffy brush to apply the glitter so that it's scattered all over the place rather than sticking on one place. And here I'm just increasing the intensity of the black eyeshadow. Using the same gel liner to tagline my eyes and to apply it on my waterline. Now I'm going to be using the same shades on my lower lash line. Starting off, I'm going to be using the dark green shade. I'm here using a pencil brush to perform the same. Using a black eyeshadow, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Finishing it off using the light green shade. For the highlighter, I'm using E.L.F metallic highlighter in the shade white gold. You can also apply the highlighter on your brow bone before the application of eyeshadows. Gently highlight your brow bone and inner corner. Now I'm here going to be using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to coat my eyelashes. This is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. All the products used in this video has already been mentioned in the description box. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.